black oyster catchers here. I don't know if they eat oysters. They're eating something. Oh, there's two of them, usually in pairs. Alright, you can't see too well. Here's one. I don't know, there were two there and I've lost them. I lost the other one, I don't know where the heck it's going. So it's got quite a slender looking beak. Get into some things. See him working. Trying to get it down. Yeah, good sense of timing because he'll get washed up. Run, you little bugger! Oh, I shouldn't use that word. Okay. Wait, can I get him this time? Oh, there's the other one. So they're dark and they're on black rocks, really hard to see. There he is. You can see the tail feathers. Alrighty, I'll catch you later. See ya. Just about time for the green flash. It's a fair whale. I think it's you're lucky if you can see it. Alrighty, see ya.